Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your WordPress site using SiteGround tools. Easy tutorials. To backup your WordPress site using SiteGround tools, start by logging into your SiteGround account. Once logged in, navigate to the Websites tab in the top menu. Select the WordPress site you want to backup. Next, find the Site Tools option and click on it. In the Site Tools dashboard, look for the Security section on the left sidebar. Under Security, click on Backups. You will see the backup options available for your site. To create a new backup, click on the Create Backup button. In the pop-up window, you can add a description for your backup to help identify it later. Once you've added a description, click Confirm. The backup process will begin, and you will see a notification when it's complete. To view your backups, scroll down in the Backups section. Here, you'll see a list of existing backups along with their dates. If you need to restore a backup, simply select the desired backup from the list. Click on the Restore option next to the backup you want to use. You may receive a prompt warning you that restoring will overwrite your current site. If you are sure, confirm the restoration. The restore process will take a moment to complete. Once finished, a notification will appear confirming the restoration was successful. You can always return to the Backups section to create additional backups as needed. Regularly backing up your site ensures you can easily recover from any issues. With these simple steps, you can confidently manage your WordPress backups using SiteGround tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.